Lesson 14. Plans and Decisions. I'll keep thinking about it. I'll keep thinking about it. We may just have to share my car for a while. We may just have to share my car for a while. We need to start a college fund for Tyler. We need to start a college fund for Tyler. Do you know what you're doing after graduation? Do you know what you're doing after graduation? I haven't made up my mind yet. I haven't made up my mind yet. I'll let you know what I decide. I'll let you know what I decide. Decide quickly. Decide quickly. I hadn't anticipated that. I hadn't anticipated that. What do you plan to do about this mess? What do you plan to do about this mess? Everything is going according to plan. Everything is going according to plan.